Hello everybody, it's Shawna here. Welcome back to another unboxing. I am doing a Wantable active edit today. So this is their Wantable version that's all like workout and athleisure, which I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of loving it. I didn't really realize how much I was going to love buying athleisure, like workout clothes. Well, athleisure too because it's comfy, but I don't know, why is it fun buying workout clothes? I think maybe because it makes me happy to put on cuteness when I'm going to work out. Like it makes me happier to go work out. I don't know, maybe. All right, so I've had this box for a couple days. I'm really looking forward to opening it up. So let's see what I got. Okay, here is my bundle. It looks like a bunch of fun colors anyway. All right, there's my prices. And again, they put the pictures there, but I don't know what those are yet, so I'm not gonna look. Return envelope. All right, what's the first thing? And I'm kind of loving this color. Oh, it's a hoodie. That is adorable. I love the color, like, I'm gonna call it cayenne. It's like a really great orangey, burnt orange color. I don't know, it's really cute. All right, we'll try that on. What else did I get? Oh, this is cute. This is by Glyder, and it just says kindness is cool. And these kind of tank tops are what I work out in. I love just a simple tank top, not low, not fancy, maybe says something cute. I'm into it. Okay, and I apologize if it's noisy here today. If your house is anything like mine, there's always people here. It's my family, but they never leave. So trying to squeeze in a video has become a real trick. Okay, so here's the next thing. It looks like cropped leggings. These are by Colosseum and they're navy blue, and those look really cute. And it would just be a nice change of pace from just my black one. So that's really, really cute. What else do we have? Ooh, this is fun. This is also by Glyder. Oh, you know what? I just got something from Stitch Fix that had a similar like hole pattern. It was a long sleeve black shirt with the same kind of I don't know, design on it, and I wore it. Actually, we went mountain biking over the weekend and I wore it and it was great. This is so amazingly soft and the color is cool. I am into it. Oh, it looks like it has a little stripe of it. I'll probably be able to see it better on. All right, looks like a sports bra. I struggle. Sports bras are tough because I'm large chested and not everything always fits in them. I am having a lot of luck with Athleta. So if you are large chested and you're looking for comfortable but cute sports bras, give Athleta a try. They're not cheap, but they're really good. I'll try this one on in private. All right, what else we got? Okay, this one just looks like a gray Racerback tank. Just simple. Man, these are all things that I would absolutely wear. I'm seeing if this is by Logan, I guess. Oh, that's what it says right there. That's cute. Okay, and last but not least are some more leggings. They do look like cropped, which is good because sometimes I just get real hot in the long ones. So these feel really like good quality. They have a cool crisscross design in the back. These are by Marika. I don't know if I recognize that, but these are really cute and fun and have some interesting pattern to it. So we'll give it a go. All right, I'll go try everything on. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the first outfit, and keep in mind it's workout clothes. I really love the color of this shirt. Tell me what you think about this. I mean, this is a different kind of pattern, but it's kind of fun having it. It's like little holes. It's like little holes. And there's some down here too, like a little stripe of it down here. The color's good. I like a tank. I like a high neck so you don't have to worry about too much showing off. I do also have the sports bra on, and it fits okay. Everything's in there. I don't know if I absolutely love it, and I just bought some from Athleta, so I'm not sure I need it. Maybe it depends on the price, so we'll see about that. But yeah, the shirt, the tank's kind of long, which I don't really always love a really long tank top, but I don't think it's bad. And then tell me what you think about the leggings. I struggle because I always think I want something other than like blue or black, just plain leggings. But then when I put them on, I was like, oh God, the ocean. It's like there's so much motion happening. I'm like gonna have a seizure. There's so much happening. And they're, I don't know why. I'm like, I want these. And then I put them on. I was like, no, it's horrible. But tell me what you think. I think they fit nice. They're really high-waisted. There's no pockets. They feel like amazing quality. So I like that about them. Tell me your opinion about patterned leggings. I want to hear it. Tell me I'm being ridiculous. I should get them. Well, it depends on the price too, but I do need some more leggings, and I would like something with like a little more interesting pattern or something going on. All right, let me go try on the next outfit. Okay, here's the next outfit, and the hoodie is comfortable. I don't know if I need a hoodie right now, and I like the color. My husband thought it might be a little too construction worker orange, but he wasn't in good light, so I didn't get the full picture. But I think it's cute. Tell me what you think. It obviously depends on the price. I do have a lot of hoodies right now. Okay, let me show you the rest. Okay, so this gray tank top is fine. I mean, it's cute enough, but it is so big down here. There's so much fabric and it's really long. I think if I size down one, it'd probably be better, although I think it fits pretty good up here. There's a lot of fabric down here. So if this is something that works for you and you want more fabric down here, then definitely this would be perfect for you. But I think it's a bit much for me. And then the leggings are good. They feel cheaper than the other ones, but if the price is lower, then that's fine. It's the matching of like the value with the quality that it feels like with the price, right? If that all kind of matches, then it works. But they're navy blue and they're cute. They have little pockets. Not that I ever put anything in these little pockets, but in theory, I could. What do you think? Too much or too big? I think the orange is cute. That'll depend on the price. Leggings are cute. Okay, I think I have one more tank top to try on. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the last shirt, and I thought it was really cute and like perfect for working out. It's super soft and the cut is really good. It's a little baggy but down here, but not as bad as the gray one. I showed my daughter and her friend, and they're like, oh no, not those words. That's a total mom shirt. Don't get that. Don't get that shirt. I'm like, what? Kindness is cool. She's like, don't. They both were like, don't do it. But I don't always listen to them. But I do think it's really comfy and it's a really nice shirt. So I think a lot of this is gonna depend on the price. So let me put on my regular clothes and then let's look at prices because it matters. I'll be right back. All right, it's time to talk about prices. All right, I haven't looked yet, so I think a lot of this is gonna have to do with price. Well, I don't know. It also has to do with need, but we don't talk about need here. We talk about want. All right, the first thing is the white tank by Glyder, and it's $42. And I liked it. I mean, I thought it was cute. I don't know if I loved it for $42. I don't think that's a bad price though. I would totally spend $42 on it. I don't know. What do you think? Now I'm just hearing my stupid daughter. Don't tell her I said that. I just hear my daughter's voice like, oh no, don't get that. I don't know. What do you think? I could get something else that isn't quite so mom-esque for $42, I guess. All right, the next thing is the gray tank, which I actually really liked. It was just too big for me. The fit was a little bit off, but it's really soft and it was really nice. And it's $45. It's just wasn't right for me. Okay, so, oh yeah, I really love this hoodie. It's 82. I don't know if I need to spend 82 on a hoodie right now. It's by Richer for Poorer, and they are always a little bit higher priced. And sometimes I really want their stuff, and other times I just don't need it right now. Again, the need. But I'm not totally feeling it at the moment for 82. I would do it though. I would. You just watch me. Okay, the next thing are these kind of tie-dye leggings, which feel so good as far as quality goes, by Marika, and they're 55. That seems totally reasonable to me. Should I branch out and get a patterned legging with these guys? They're not bad. And they're fun and different. It's not like I'm going out to the gym. I'm just home workouts at the moment. Okay. Those are in the maybe pile for sure. 55 bucks seems reasonable to me. All right, the bra, sports bra. This is what it looks like. Just a Racerback. It's that long kind. I don't know, how do you guys feel about these? Like, I'm kind of liking them. This one, not everything quite fit in well. I mean, it did, but there were some things starting to come out at the end. And it's 65. And although it's not, I think, a bad price, I think I spent something similar at Athleta, and I just like the cut of it a little bit better. So I'll probably stick with my Athleta bra for now. All right, now we have the Glyder. This one I really liked, but then not everybody in my house liked it. So tell me what you think about this. It's 48, and I think that's reasonable, and I like it because it's different. I like it because it's a different color, it's a different style. I'm kind of digging on it. So tell me what you think about this one. That is in the maybe pile for me as well. Okay, and then the last thing are the Colosseum pants, leggings, the navy leggings, and they are 30 bucks. I mean, how do you beat that? 30 bucks. Like, yeah, they feel thinner, but for 30 bucks, I mean, that seems like a reasonable price for the quality. But also for the thicker ones, 55 seemed like a reasonable price for that quality as well. Actually, probably more. So, I don't know, I'll have to decide. I probably only need to get one pair of leggings right now. Well, which ones did you like better? Should I branch out and get the patterned ones, or should I just get the blue ones? They're really cheap. I don't know. Okay, if you haven't heard yet, I'm starting social media. So you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Shawna Jean PNW, as in Pacific Northwest. And I'm gonna be posting outfits, things that I purchase, different cuteness. I don't know, tell me what you wanna see on them. I'm kind of new to it. I mean, I post pictures of my kids on Facebook, but that's about it. So tell me what you guys wanna see on social media, and I'll see what I can do. All right, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified every time I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.